Live from London's Royal Albert Hall, it's the biggest night of the year for all those who love great TV. The votes are poured in, the stars are arriving, and the excitement is mounting as viewers give their verdict on the last 12 months of television. What is Britain's funniest comedy, our most gripping drama, and which talent show will win your vote tonight? To find out, let's join tonight's contenders as they take their seats inside among our audience of 5,000 for the 13th National Television Awards. Please welcome your host for tonight's ceremony, Sir Trevor McDonald.
Thank you very much. Good evening and welcome to the 13th National Television Awards, taking place on this, the most terrifying of nights, Halloween. Oh dear, sounds like Jonathan Ross has been asked to take a pay cut. This year, it's true, there have been the occasional hiccup, but British television remains the best in the world. And not just because it shows all the good stuff from America. Whether it's our news coverage, our nature programs, our comedies, from dramas to quiz shows to reality formats, British television is still where the world comes looking for talent, entertainment, and quality. Incidentally, tonight's show here in the Albert Hall is absolutely live, so if you see the Queen walking out in a huff, she really has walked out in a huff. The National Television Awards are unique as every nominee this evening has been chosen by the most discerning judging panel of all, viewers. Voting closed a few hours ago, but we're about to reopen one category, that of talent show, where your calls can perhaps make all the difference. Later, we'll give you details about when to start phoning in, and more importantly, when to stop. Now to our first award, which is for